Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Just want to say thank you to everyone that liked and subscribed to my last video. I appreciate it a lot. I mean, I'm a new channel, so I appreciate it very much. Today I'm going to show you how to do a motovlog setup. I found mine through YouTube. There's quite a few out there, but personally I feel that my way is a lot simpler, a lot easier, and I personally feel it's better. A lot of them have a lot of arms and attachments with the GoPros, and they look a bit bulky and they're quite hard fitting, and it's just not needed. So personally, for my way, I think it's a lot simpler. So I'm going to show you. This is what it looks like from the side, and this is from the front. So you can see, it's very simple. Everything doesn't stick out like I've seen before. There's got arms attachments out here and around the side, even the front. They've got that, it goes down and up, and I just feel it's not needed. So I'm going to show you exactly how I've done mine. So I say this is the main GoPro. I've got the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Get this off. Yeah, so I've got a standard GoPro Hero 7 Black, and this is the housing that it came in. It's just a standard GoPro housing. That's all you need. With these, you do need to remove the side door though, same as anyone. If you've got an external mic, you just take that side door off. Very easy. Just make sure you do that before. Like I say, it just goes in there, slots in. So that's the housing. Next up, all you need, the only attachment you need is this. That is it. I've seen them before, they go down, another connection, it's just not needed. So that is it. I think is an actual GoPro one. If not, it might just be a cheap one off eBay or something like that. But that's it, it's just like a hook one. So I say that goes on there. That goes in there. And that is it. That is the only attachment you need. I'll put that aside. Next up's my helmet. All I've done is it's the curved sticky pad. So it's not a straight one. I mean, you can use a straight one, but I don't know, I just think that's all I had. Like, all I've done is taken off the rear, all I've done is taken off the front vent. That's it. Normally there's a vent there that slides up and down. I just took that out. You can replace it, which I mean, it does no damage. They just come on and off. And I've just took that off and I've stuck that in its place. And that is it. And I'll show you how it goes on. So you have that on there. That goes on there. It slots down. And also the advantage of this, it's at the perfect angle. You don't need to adjust it. You just push it as far back as it will go. Tighten it up, and that is the perfect angle. So when you're riding, your head's not level. Your helmet's always down slightly. So for me, I found that is the perfect angle. Do you mean you can adjust it slightly, but it's just not needed. So anytime, do you mean you want to change the battery, just push it right back. That is it. It's the perfect angle. Next up, I have this, which everyone with a Hero 7, I think 6 as well, needs. The massive brick of a microphone. Why, GoPro, you've decided to make it that big is beyond me, okay? But that's what we've got to live with. So I say, all I've done is put that on the side. I've worked out roughly where it goes, and then just stuck it in place with duct tape. It's not amazingly pretty, but there's ways around it, Velcro, like Velcro sticky pads and that, but I don't trust those. I don't want to lose that going down the road. So I've just duct taped it on. That's not going anywhere. It's very secure. Next up, I have my microphone. All I've done is duct taped along there. Stuck it down. It's neat, it's tidy. It doesn't go anywhere, it doesn't move. So that just runs along there, down inside of the cheek. So I've just pulled this out basically and stuck it in, and that is the microphone. I think I got it off Amazon, but it's the one that I think it was Jake the Garden Snake. He recommended this one. So it's a microphone in there. Don't know if you can see it. And basically, I just bought some cheap windshields, wind deflectors. I don't know what they are. These were £3 off eBay for I think about 5. And basically, I've just stuck that on there. So as you can see, I put it in the cheek. I then just get rid of the excess wire you don't need. Just just got rid of the excess wire. Push all the cheek backs in, and that's it in there. So you push it right as far into that cheek as you can. So you can see that? And that way I found, I don't even know it's there. You can barely see it, can't even feel it. Before I've had it tickling your face, the little windshield, it doesn't do that. So that for me, that's the best way I've found. And also if your helmet's like mine, you have a couple of vents here. They're just always open. All I've done, stuck, can't see it. I've just stuck some sticky tape there, duct tape. Just cuts that wind noise. Like I say, I get near enough at 0 wind noise. I can go up to 70, 80 miles an hour and there's still not a lot. And if you have a chin curtain, I've lost mine. If you have a chin curtain as well, that will cut it out almost to nothing. So with this as well, you can still open and close your thing. You can still fit your finger there, open and close your visor. Like I say, that's it. And then the last thing, obviously you just clip it in there. There, and that is the setup. It's very simple, very easy. If you found this useful and you enjoyed it, please just give it a like. Subscribe as well if you'd like to. There's going to be many more videos like these, mostly motovlogging. But I say thank you very much and thank you for watching.